Yeah, bro, she's gonna give us like 240 builds.
I only have 90.
I have 246. Start building. I'm just gonna start building.
I got a 1-star P90 and I'm ready to go.
Me and Kyra already had more builds than last time. And now zone's in our favor. I remember when me and Yaz did it, and we just threw one grenade in the tiny zone, and we all killed everybody.
Yeah, so let's wait for the end, and then... How many builds do you have?
193.
Okay.
Yeah, we are in zone. So.
What? You just wasted that build?
Woo!
What? Wait! Oh! Are you joking me? Are you joking me? He lagged out! No shot! No shot! What do we do now? I know! Hopefully the zone comes to us. Oh my god. Oh my god, I almost fell. I am not moving because I will literally fall. Oh my god. I know. And he built like... Oh, frick. We should have kept a few. Oh my god. Please come to us. I don't know. Let's see where this goes. We might be able to just fly right to it. Like, if they start fighting, we could just drop in third party with the... But like, we're high enough. Let's try to fly over them. Like, we'll do the same thing where we just fly in circles in zone. Oh my god. Okay, once they start fighting, maybe, or once it starts shrinking. Yeah. Okay, they're fighting too, so that's good. Found you except on the ground and, like, the line. Like, it looks clear.
Battle zone is now shrinking.
I know, I think it, okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna... Same. Where are you? Are you below me? I don't see you. Oh, okay. Oh, it's us and them, it's us and them. Let's drop a little more. I'm gonna start... Wait, I don't know. I can't hear you anymore, what the heck? I'm dropping. I'm unloading.
Teammate died.
He's out here. He's on the little box. Get him. Oh my god, the 10 damage!